Alpha, it's in the up now. Yeah, the way I want to talk about, yeah, cough. Cough now, na very common illness, you understand? And a lot of people, they take cough for granted. A lot of people think say cough, now basically cough syrup, just cough. So as they get cough, now to take cough syrup. I don't know who tell you that thing. That thing is supposed to be adjuvant, just auxiliary, to assist in relieving the symptom. But the most important thing for cough na to treat wetin cause the cough. You go see person go dey cough, they bring out white frothy sputum. White sputum, you no know say na cardiac cough be that. You no know say e dey get that problem. All these things are the signs wey dey occur before you go hear him, person don die. You know, say everything here for this country now na attack. Even people no get money, they talk attack. You go dey cough. For night, you go dey sweat, heavy sweat. Your clothes go dey soak. If you don't lose small weight, you go say, you do okay now. You say you don't shed weight. You won't leave only meat to fat. If it be tuberculosis, so you no go know. Because you no go hospital. You no call doctor. You no even care self. You know, say doctors now, God forbid, it's not my portion. I was in them more. You feel they get cough. So they once in a while, you know, you go cough out something where they red. I don't call them blood though. Careful, buff. You go see the manager. Why do you hate yourself so much? You have only one body. Only one body. All your dreams are in that body. All your aspirations are carried by that body. Even your spirit man, that is very powerful. You be pastor, you be anything where you be, shakaboos, you dey pray in tongues. One body you get, but you no value that body. I beg, do you even know that cough is a symptom, not a disease? So taking cough syrup, what they call it, Linctus them, to suppress the cough reflex, it's not the problem. That cough, your body is trying to clear the airway during expiration. That's a cough. Things like allergy can cause cough. Cardiac problems can cause cough. Parasitic infections can cause cough. Pneumonia can cause cough. A lot of things can cause cough. Cause can even be due to lung cancer. Especially all this protracted cough. Besides, WHO said that any cough beyond 2 weeks should be thoroughly screened. Thoroughly screened. Any cough that you have been taking drug way past 2 weeks, 14 days, WHO standard is earmark that cough for TB test. Earmark that cough for CT to know the condition of the heart, or in your case, X-ray if you cannot afford CT. You know, do a thorough investigation, because how can your airway be clearing something for more than 2 weeks? That's the way they clear a real mountain. But I no go believe now. Ọkwa ihe onye a na-akọ, onye a chọrọ ka abịa ụlọ ọgwụ. Nwanne bịara ma ịbịa gị, ma ị nwụọ mọchụarị agba aka ahịa. Ndị na-ere, those people they sell Hollandaise go sell market. Drinks go market. Canopy people go do their business. Coffin go do their business. But why people go do business on your behalf? You better say people wey dey alive do business with you when you die alive now. Yes, na me talk am. Take care of your body. Not only one body. I just got a message now of somebody wey die, and the thing really pain me. And wetin pain me be say, no be say person no go die o. Na young person. I no talk say you no take care of himself, or no be wetin I mean. But please, please and please, this body is so fragile. If we really know that we are not supposed to joke with it, to be honest, any symptom you get should be highlighted. That's why we're talking about digital health care. Because we know that with the current situation, economic situation, people are prancing about, junketing from one job to another to make ends meet. It's not possible to go to a physical hospital each time you are sick. That's why digital health care is very, very important now. Besides, even if you go hospital self, due to the workload on doctors, you feel day more than 3 hours, never see doctor. Digital health care is important. Think about it.